Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and hello to all my Yummylicious around the world. How are you there? So today guys, I'm gonna show you a very special. You know what? I will do unboxing. You know, and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm happy and I'm so excited to open this one because how I wish I could have this okay, this iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so finally I got it. So now I'm gonna show you. Wait, huh? I think I need the scissor. I cannot open. Wait. Okay, so we're gonna cut now. I'm so excited, guys. So, guys, here we go now. I open now the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Look at this one, guys. Yeah. Finally, I got it. So we will do unbox now. So yes, see. It's amazing. Actually, this is color blue and okay, 256 GB. Okay, I will check. Huh? I'm opening now. I start to open now. Okay. Charan! Hi guys, here we go. Okay, it's color blue. Okay. Here we go, guys. Amazing. Yeah. Okay. Yes. You can see. And with the charger. Okay. It's designed by Apple in California. Okay. So finally, guys, I got it. It's color blue. As you can see. Yeah. You know how I wish I could have this this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So here we go, guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and also don't forget to like and share. Okay? Thank you. Bye.